Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to share with you the contents of the Fat Quarter Shop February 2021 Sew Sampler Box. I've already taken a sneak peek, and this box is a good one. There are lots of fun products, and I even have some additional ideas for how you might want to use some of those products. So we will get started with the unboxing, and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, we're going to open up the February Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. And it is called Make a Splash, February 2021. And there are some really fun things in here. First off is this adorable magnetic pincushion that looks like a spool of thread. And I just love this. The pins just... well, I thought they would just drop in, but they do. They've got like a magnetic, so you can turn it upside down. They don't fall out. So just a super cute pincushion in one of my favorite colors. These are Clover water-soluble pencils, a package of 3, and there's a white for marking on dark fabrics, and then the blue and the pink you could use for lighter fabrics, so they would show up. And it says that it's easily wiped off with water. I haven't used these yet, but there are those times when you need to make a marking, and I feel like especially on dark fabric, so I feel like this white pencil is going to come in really handy. This month's thread is a variegated Aurifil, and it's a really neutral color, so I feel like that'll be very easily used. And the fabric bundle is, they are fat quarters from the My Favorite Color is Moda collection. I'm going to open this up. These are Bella Solids that Moda sells, and these are some really fun, actually let's just open it up. These are some really fun bright colors. So there's a blue. Oh, and maybe they're not fat quarters. Nope, they're fat eighths. So these are fat eighths. And the plum and the teal. It's a fun yellow, orange. This gray is super neutral and nice. The red, lime green, a really pretty aqua, pink, gray, and a darker pink. And then this is a bigger piece, and this is a new Moda print that has the Moda Bella color number, the circle with the color, and the name of the color. And I feel like this is a panel that's a full yard, and it has all of the Bellas on it. This is really super fun. You'll see in a minute that I had peeked and looked at this box because I wanted to show you something that I have that goes with this. And this is actually yardage with all those colors. And the dots, the circles, you can tell are quite a bit smaller for this. So this is a fun panel. That is super fun, but I purchased this actually to use on backings for quilts. I thought this would be really great for backings. And this isn't in the box, just to be sure that you know. This isn't in the box, just the panel with the large dots and then the solids. So in the box is also the monthly greatest hits pattern. We're on block 11, so we'll be starting a new one of these soon. And then there is a quilt pattern in the box, and what they've done is they've used this panel for the quilt center, and then they've used all of these different colors for the border on the quilt. And so that makes a really fun little, it's 48.5 by 54.5. So it would be a really cute wall hanging for your sewing room. and you'd have the Motabella colors for reference. I think it's a really fun idea, but there are so many other things you can do with this. This would also make a great backing for a smaller project, or a lining for a bag. And you could even cut out, you know, kind of fussy cut different parts of it to use it for smaller projects. And these are just going to be so handy to have. I can see so many different projects, square and a square blocks with these, or flying geese blocks. Just really a lot of options for the fabric in this month's block. And I feel like it's quite a bit of fabric, because there's a yard. You get 1.5 yards with this, and then this is also a full yard, so you're getting 2.5 yards of fabric in this month's box. So once again, Fat Quarter Shop has done a great job with the Sew Sampler box. Okay, so that's it for the Fat Quarter Shop February 2021 Sew Sampler blocks. I'm sure you'll agree with me that there are some really fun products in this month's box. And if you're not subscribed, don't worry, Fat Quarter Shop does sell these items separately. So we'll put a list of all the products with the links in the description below, and you can head over and look for anything that you might be interested in. I feel like there's so many things you can do with the fabrics in this month's box. And as I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned or not, this might be my favorite little pincushion ever. But if you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you'd share it with a friend. Hit the subscribe and the like buttons if you haven't already. And thanks so much for stopping by.